Waves, breathe, let it flow. Floating on an endless sea, where my soul can finally breathe. No more worries, no more pain, only sunshine after rain. Drifting far from all the noise, finding back my inner voice. In the calm I start to see what this life is meant to be. Let it go, just release. Every burden finds its peace in the rhythm of the tide. Leave the heavy world behind. Ocean of peace, carry me to a place where I can be free. Let the waves wash away all the troubles of yesterday. Ocean of peace, set me free, flowing deep inside of me. Every breath, every sigh feels like I can finally fly. Oh, yeah. Close your eyes, feel the flow. Let your spirit gently go. In this calm I finally see life was meant to be free. Hear the ocean softly call, telling me to drop it all. Every fear just fades away in the light of a new day. No more running, no more fight, only peace in open light. Every heart beats slow and true, bringing me back home to you. Ocean of peace, carry me to a place where I can be free. Let the waves wash away all the troubles of yesterday. Drift away into the blue, where the sky and sea feel new. Time dissolves, no need to chase, only calm in this space. Every moment, every breath feels like life, not like a test. In this silence I can find peace within my heart and mind. Sunlight dancing on the sea, like a dream surrounding me. All the pain I used to know, now just something I outgrow. Step by step I'm learning how to just live inside the now. In this ocean I believe there is more than we can see. Ocean of peace, carry me to the place I'm meant to be. Through the waves I feel alive, in this moment I arrive. Ocean of peace, deep and wide, with your rhythm as my guide. Now I know I'm finally free. You're the truth inside of me. Ocean, ocean, peace, waves, breeze. Yeah, hear the drum, feel the power. Rise up, rise up. street. No more silence, no more fear. Freedom time is drawing near. From the shadows we arise, with a fire in our eyes. No more hiding, no more chains, breaking free from all the pain. Feel the rhythm in your soul, let the energy take control. Every heartbeat, every sound, lift your spirit from the ground. Freedom chant, sing it loud, stand together, strong and proud. Break the chains, let it be. We were born to live free. Freedom chant, hear the call, rise together, one and all. Through the fire, we believe. We were born to live free. From the past, we learn the pain. Now we rise and break the chain. Every voice, every sound, lift the people from the ground. Through the struggle, through the fight, we keep pushing for the light. Every step we take as one shows the change has now begun. No more wars to divide, put the hatred all aside. Different colors, different names, still we burn the same flame. Freedom chant, sing it loud, stand together, strong and proud. Break the chains, let it be. We were born to live free. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Rise up, freedom. Rise up, rise up, freedom. One love, one love. Stand strong, stand strong, stand strong, stand strong, stand strong, stand strong, stand strong. Oh, hear the youth them raise their voice. Standing up, they make a choice. No more fear to hold them back. They're united on the track. From the cities to the shore, we don't fight each other no more. We build bridges, not divide. With the truth we stand with pride. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Rise up, rise up. Freedom, one love. Rise up, oh. Freedom chant, like the flame. We are stronger, we remain. Through the storm, through the fight, we are rising to the light. Freedom chant, loud and clear. Let the whole wide world now hear. No more chains, we believe. We were born to live free. Freedom, freedom. Rise up, rise up, oh. Rise up. In the silence of the night, I'm searching for the light. Every tear that falls away leads me to a better day. When the world feels cold and far, I still follow where you are. Through the darkness I can see there's a truth inside of me. Whispers in the quiet air tell me someone's always there. Even when I feel alone, I know I'm not on my own. Midnight prayer, hear my call. When I stumble, when I fall, guide my soul, make me strong. Help me find where I belong. Midnight prayer, deep and true. I put all my faith in you. Through the night, With a faith I've come to know, even when the road is long, I will carry on. Every scar and every pain, falling down and rise again. In the struggle I can see what this life has made of me. When the doubts are in my mind and the answers are to find, I just breathe and close my eyes, leave it all to higher skies. Midnight prayer, hear my call. When I stumble, when I fall, guide my soul, make me strong, help me find where I belong. If I lose my way tonight, be my guide, be my light. Hold my hand, don't let go. Lead me where I need to go. Through the storm, through the rain, through the loss, through the pain. Let your love carry me to the place I'm meant to be. Morning comes, a brand new start, healing slowly in my heart. All the weight begins to fade from the choices that I made. Now I stand with open eyes, seeing truth beyond disguise. Every breath I take is proof I am walking in your truth. Midnight prayer, now I see you were always here with me. Through the dark, through it all, you were there to hear my call. Midnight prayer, strong and bright, turn my darkness into light. Now I know I'll be okay, guided every step I take. Prayer, light, guide me, guide me. Oh, na 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 na. Different faces, different names, but we all burn the same flame. Across the borders, across the seas, we all share the same dream. From the cities to the hills, from the valleys to the fields, every heartbeat, every soul, searching for a common goal. No more lines to divide, put the hatred all aside. We are stronger when we stand hand in hand across the land. One word, one flame, we are rising just the same. No more war, no more pain. Let love remain. One voice, one cry, reaching out across the sky. Through the dark we will rise, see the truth in every eye. Hear the children cry for peace, praying all the wars will cease. We can build a better place, standing strong as one race. Mothers hoping, fathers pray for a brighter, safer day. No more tears left to fall, we can heal it all. Feel the fire deep inside, let compassion struggle we unite, turning darkness into light. Every step we take as one shows the change has now begun. No more walls to keep apart, only bridges from the heart. Let the message travel far to every soul wherever you are. One word, one flame, we are rising just the same. Through the fire we remain. Let love remain. One heart, one soul. Together we become whole. In this life we reclaim. One world, one flame. One world, one flame. One love, one heart. Unite, one flame. Hear the voice in the wind tonight, guiding me to the truth and right. Through the darkness I can see there's a higher destiny. Broken roads I walked alone. Now I know I'm not on my own. Every step, every fall, Jah was there through it all. every sound a melody, singing love so endlessly. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the warmth, let it flow. Underneath the moonlight glow, this is all I need to know. Every second feels so right, dancing softly through the night. In your arms I find my peace. All my worries slowly cease. You're the island in my eyes, my forever paradise. Every touch, every smile, make this life feel so worthwhile. Stay with me under the stars, no matter how near or far. Through the night and through the day, in your love I'll always stay. Close your eyes, feel the sound, let your heart just float around. In this love we will remain, like sunshine after rain. Time stands still when you're near, all my doubts just disappear. In your love I found my home, never wanna be alone. Through the highs and through the lows, you're the only truth I know. Like the tide returns to sea, you will always come to me. You're the island in my eyes, shining like the sunrise. Through the dark you are my light. Stay with me tonight. You're the rhythm in my soul, you're the one who makes me whole. In your love I'll always be, living free eternally. Island, 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 love. Island, you and me forever. Yeah, feel the fire deep inside. Roots and culture, walking through the struggle every day and night, holding on to truth, holding on to light. World so cold but my heart stay warm. Jah protect me through the storm. Pressure rising, still I stand my ground. Lost so many but I still feel found. Through the pain I learned to grow. Now the fire starts to glow. They can't break what's deep inside. This burning flame I cannot hide. Through the dark I see the sign, everything will be alright. There's a fire in my soul, burning deep, I won't let go. Through the struggle, through it all, still I rise, I stand tall. Fire in my soul tonight, shining like a guiding light. One love is my only goal. Feel the fire in my soul. Babylon system try to hold me down, but I keep my feet on solid ground. No illusion in my sight, I see clearly wrong from right. Voices crying in the streets so loud, lost in darkness in a broken crowd. But I know we can be free if we live in unity. Every scar has made me strong, every loss just pushed me on. Now I know your way. Even in your darkest day, hold your faith and you will see life is what it's meant to be. From the ashes we will rise again.